There we go. No one else needs to know. I mean, I plan on asking it again, like midway through stream where I know that where there's a good chance for like more chatters and everything. But yeah, I can, I can, ask you guys this now. If you want me to, I guess. Knowing you, I know you won't, you'll forget. I mean, you don't have to call me out like that. Fine, I'll ask it now. Fine, since there's actually a really good chance that I'll forget later on. Yeah. How would you guys feel about me possibly doing like my own like little pop cat emote, but instead of it being a cat, it's like a little voidling? How would you guys feel about that? Because I've been thinking about that for a while. I will pay you to do that. I mean, you don't have to pay me. I know that I'll probably pay someone to do it. Well, I think I do have, like, a thing where I could make gifts? I don't know how well that would work out, though. Yeah, that's what I've been thinking a little bit. Because I think... Make it a BTTV, too. Maybe? Possibly? Because I know that... So I can use it while being broke. Yeah, we need it until you mentioned. I mean, fair. I know that I have the little pet the cat. Hiccups. I know that I have the little pet the cat as a BTTV emote. And then I think I also made like a little pet the ghast one as well because it was adorable and I needed it. Yeah, if you guys are all for it, I will definitely like write it down so I don't forget like at all. Eee, little pet the ghast. It's so cute. It has a little smile. Write it down now. All right, fine. Hold on. Let me And yes, I do have a notebook of everything that I need to know, because knowing me, I will forget. Okay, hold on. Pop, cat, butt, void, ling, emote, and BTTV. There we go. Did you write yesterday's questions? Hey guys, are you ready to do another Pokemon Recolor? Cause it's definitely been a bit. I know that I skipped last week. I know that I skipped last week's Pokemon Recolor, but we're back on the schedule, so like I said, Clay, it's not a good idea to have me be the patron saint of memory because it's not good. I'm not the one for memory, I will say this. Not a lot of people in leadership positions will admit that they are shit, but I will say that I am shit when it comes to memory. Do you hear? Do you hear my voice? Can you tell how serious I am? Cause I am not good when it comes to memory. Oh hey, hi Vayu. I hope you're doing good. Oh hey, I hope you're doing good. It's been a bit. Well, we did see you yesterday, but hello. It's been about 24 hours. I hope you're doing good. Oh, okay. My face hurts now from laughing so much. I need to stop. We've only just begun. It's only been like less than 10 minutes. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I'm good. Yeah. We're back doing more Pokemon Recolors. Let's see. I think everything is all good. Yes. Okay. So I just kind of want to like show you guys like where I am with the fixing Recolors off stream. There we go. So I know that I think I'm done with like the first one. Like I fixed Reshiram and everything. And then Recolors 2, I've definitely fixed this. Regice was a little bit more difficult to fix because like the green and the blue were kind of a little bit too similar to each other. So it definitely took me a little bit to like make sure I found all the blue. I'm pretty sure I still missed a few spots. But this one I know is good. And this one I had to post. Or still have to post. How's Moltres doing? I don't know if you guys can quite see, but I am done with the Moltres. And it does look really cool. It definitely took a little bit though. Just because of like the different flames and everything. It does look really cool. I think the only one that I have to fix for this little section is like the Flygon and the eyes. I'm getting bullied by my sisters and my cousin. Fight back. Fight back against the sister and the cousin. Fight them. Okay, maybe not. I don't know how to help with that. I'm sorry, Vayu. I'm sorry. What else? Oh yeah, I think I finished the Lucario for this one. Lucario and was the drawing? What, these drawings? They were all done with the recolors, remember? Oh yeah, and then the Espeons were actually like really easy to do. There wasn't much for me to fix there. The Jolteon, that actually took a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. And then here's this one. This one I'm actually kind of struggling with. The Gengar clip the memory lapse. That's fair. I'm the only guy. How? Oh, you're outnumbered. Pet. Hold on, where are you? Pet. I pat you. I wish you the best of luck in surviving that. I don't know how you are going to. Find a place where you can just like chill, I guess. I don't know. What character is that? What do you mean? I know that there's like the stream drawings here and everything. I still find it really funny that you can just see like the tiny little voidling like right here. What was it saying? Oh yeah. This one is causing me a little bit of trouble. Especially like the Cerulege and the Annihilate. That's what it's called. Yeah, the Cerulege and the Annihilate, mostly because of the edges and everything. That's a little bit difficult. The only color drawing that's not a Pokemon. What do you mean? What do you mean? Also, why do what you do with cupcakes and cake? Oh, that! That's a good question. I have no idea. I have no idea. I'm left in the Gengar's drawing. Cerulege? Is Cerulege? I still left. Cerulege is causing me some issues. Anyway, new image. New image. There we go. What? Okay. Great. Hey, there we go. To left of this village, I no longer see a ceruledge. Is there something to the left? I don't remember if there's anything right here. Anyway. I guess I'll stop being mean. But when are we getting whiteboard streams back? That's a good question. When do you want to do them? Caffeine! Hold on, now. You will become more hyper. That's a lot of freedom. Fair. I know that weekends are usually like a good shot when it comes to like the drawing stuff and everything. Yeah, like in King of the Castle we do need back and everything too. Caffeine! I become more hyper. Also, Marcus, I'm sorry. I know that I'm being a little shit. I apologize. If you really want to know what that was the thing that I was asking for designs for. And it also coincides with potential VTuber stuff. That is all I will say. Oh yeah, there's also King of the Castle too. Yeah, So you didn't note down the questions up with the design? I did write down some that I remembered, yes, but I have to go back and write down more of them. But yeah, I did. Oh right, hold on. Where is it? Where will it be? There we go. All right. And then let me put this more in the center. It's annoying me. There we go. Now it is time. There we go. Ooh, hiccups. Alright. Shall we see what the first one is? It is time to spin! Wait, didn't we already do Porygon? We did already do Porygon. Hold on. Remove! Hold on. Is there anyone else that I have to remove? I don't... Okay. Yeah, we're good. Spin again! Ah, we almost got Nidoqueen. Okay, so Poliwrath. Okay. Okay, so Poliwrath. Okay. Poliwrath. Oh, yeah, that is... new layer. Oh yeah, so this guy. Okay. Now, if I remember correctly, the shiny form is just green. Yeah, no, the shiny form of this guy is just green. Let's move this a little bit. And the thing is, I'm pretty sure that like the Poliwag and Poliwhirl are not green. I actually don't remember, like... Hold on. Because I know that they aren't green. Hold on. Poliwag... Wag... Shiny. Because I'm pretty sure that... Oh yeah! Okay, so yeah, it's really odd because the Poliwag and Poliwhirl are like a light blue. But then Poliwrath is just green? But Politoed is like a blue and pink. Inspires the shiny to Politoed shiny pink? Oh yeah, we can do that. Yeah. Would we just change like the blue and everything to pink? Because I'm all for that. This is pink. Hot pink will be so pretty. I don't remember what hot pink looks like. Is this hot pink? Hold on. Is it this? This color? It's a soft pink. That? Grab the reference is zero. Very fine. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Too late. We go with this. Alright, so we do this one for like the base, like this and everything, right? And we're bringing it this time. Correct. Okay, cool. I just wanted to double check. And then we do the magic wand. The magic wand that is so great to know and powerful. Indeed. Don't mind me, I'm just slowly losing my mind. Do we want to change like the gloves and like the middle part at all or no? Improvisation is the key. It is. Correct. That would be correct. And I'm like, this is a good pink. I like this pink. We'll figure that out later. Wicked. We focus on pink. Nothing else. Just pink. Okay, so then like that. Okay. And then like the dark. And just in sync today, it looks like. Would it be this? Would this be a good shadow? Would this be a good shadow or darker? Yeah, so good shadow? Yay? Yay, nay? Nay, yay? Good shadow? Okay, cool. Alright. Yeah, only one way to find out. That one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that. I don't think I missed anything. Yes, we're good. Okay. Nyom. Nyom. This is giving me traumatic flashbacks to me trying to do pixel art while I'm paint. Oh. I apologize. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I do really like this. I do like this. Yay. I'm gonna play Genshin. Yo, have fun with Genshin. Bubblegum of Wrath. Bubblegum of Wrath. I like that. Just Bubblegum of Wrath. Poliwrath may be pink, but they can still pack a punch. Alright, yeah. Yeah, unless we want to do, like, the gloves in middle and everything. But, oh yeah, then there are the lines, but I can do that off stream. I know, that was actually kind of fast. That was actually really fast. Alright. Alright. I guess we're done with that. Yeah, no, we definitely did speedrun this one, but to be fair, it was really only like one color. It was only one color. You're getting better at it. Yeah. Yeah, getting better at the Photoshop anyway. Still have to do like, still want to do like the drawings with the recolors and everything. But I'll get there when I get there. It's time for another spin. Where is it? Spin! Spin time! Let's see what it'll be. Ah, this one. Okay. I have a few issues with Basculin. Specifically with the shiny and only the shiny. Okay, so I did grab like 3. There's like 3. Randomly said fish IRL and then on Basculin. Yo. Ooh. Amazing timing there. Okay, so then there's that one. New. Hiccups. Hiccups. Alright, hold on. So there's the blue and the red, but there's also the white stripe, specifically from Legends Arceus. You can do the 3? Yeah, they're rather easy. They're pretty easy and everything, so I just grabbed all 3 of them. Okay. So the issues that I have with this shiny. The issues that I have with this shiny, because I think this is just me. Okay. So let's look at the blue. Let's look at the blue. Okay, so here's a regular model for the blue striped Basculin. Here's a shiny version. It's so boring. It's just like a little bit lighter of a color and I hate it. Oh, and you guys know like how... Yeah, no, that's it. And... You know, it's just like a radioactive fish. But, hold on, not done. Now you know Legends Arceus, right? Legends Arceus? Okay, now this is the model, the regular model from Legends Arceus. You guys ready to see the shiny for Legends Arceus? It's at least a little bit better because the fins are like slightly gold. You can actually tell, but still. Oh no, and then, however, if you transfer the Basculin, the white stripe, to the Gen 9, I think, either Scarlet and Violet, I think. Okay, so that's what the white stripe looks like. Here's what the shiny looks like. Oh. I hate it. This is just like a personal pet peeve for me, but I hate it when they do like a slight, just like very slight color shift that you can barely tell the difference. I hate it so much. There's too many fish. Yeah. Fish! The fish are taking over. And just all the shinies are slightly lighter. I hate it. They could have done like so much more. They could have switched like the red with the green to make it be like a green stripe, but then like the red part is like the body. Yeah, they just literally like adjust lighting. It's like, okay guys, job done, let's go, next shiny. Like, oh. But at least with like the Legends Arceus, you can tell that they at least got like a little bit more yellow with the fins. But then it's just like right back to just being like slightly beige. Oh, I hate it. I hate it so much. You know, I was ready for this rant. There's very few things that I turn into ranting Vale about. This is one of them. Oh. Oh. I'm good. I'm calm. I'm good. I'm getting rid of these references. Nope, I'm getting rid of all these references. I don't want to look at them anymore. Okay. So what do we want to do? What would you like to do with the shinies for these guys? Any ideas? On the blue drawing, made the fins black, the top white, the green, eyes green, and blue body. Oh, that? Wait, what? So blue. So replace like this with this. Just swap around the colors. Okay. So I can definitely see. So like the black fins. Oh! Oh, wait. Okay, so kind of like inverse. Where the white is like this. And like anything that's the black goes to the white. And then switching the blue with the body, or like the blue stripe with the body. Ah, okay. Yeah, we can try that. Let's try it. Yeah, I don't know how long that rant took, and I apologize. I apologize for how long that rant took. Okay, so then... Whoops. That's not what I need. There we go. And then take that. And then put that there. And then take the shadow. And then put that there. What if we make them completely black, then put a little X on their eyes, and now they're charred fish? Barbecue fish, let's go. And then do that there. It's like, this is pretty much like the entire color scheme for like all of them. I would keep the gold fins from the original shiny. Oh yeah, the fins are kind of gold. Yeah, I could definitely see that. Or at least we can make the gold more prominent. Because I think I kind of see where they're going with like the gold fin stuff, but it's just oh I'm gonna start ranting again. Oh, okay. I'm fine. I'm cool. I'm good. I'm fine. It's not fine. Okay, I'm good. Okay. Well, what we could do is kind of like experiment with like all of them, because there's like 3 of them. So we could do the inverse for the blue one. Then we can try the gold, or like the more prominent gold with the white stripe. Because, wait, hold on. I didn't even look. What does the shiny Basque Legion look like? Hold on. Shiny Basque Legion. Yeah, because... Oh! Because if you look at the shiny Basque Legions for like the male and female forms, like the stripes change color, and that looks actually really good. I'm ranting again. But then you look at like these guys, and they just go like a slightly lighter green. Like, bruh. Oh. I'm fine. Everything's fine. Oh. I'm crashing out. I'm crashing out. Oh. There's not many things that can make me crash out. Shiny Pokemon is one of those things. Okay. I'm good. I'm not gonna look at the shiny Basque Legion anymore. I'm fine. Okay. I'm good. How's it going? Everything's good now. Blue. There we go. Oh, calm down. I'm calm now. It's all good. Everything is fine. Yeah. Okay. What were we doing? Oh yeah. Let's do. It's like the inverse colors for this one, the gold fins for this one. Unless we can also think of what else we can do for this as well. Like we can also make the stripe gold as well. And then this one, we could probably just do like changing the stripe color to the purple. Just like kind of see like which one we like more. So we can kind of just like see like if we want to keep like them all different, or if we want to like have specific like have one specific thing to be for like all of them and everything. I always found the Basculins Jihad to be very funny looking. Yeah, they're very silly. Like they're very different as well. I think they're trying to imitate piranhas, which makes sense because in the games, just the Basculins just kind of like run after you, which makes sense. It's terrifying. What are we doing? Oh yeah. So then do blue one first. We are on the blue one, right? Yes, okay. So then, pop. Okay, then switch the white with the black. Then do this. Okay. So definitely gonna need to do fixing for this one, definitely. And then if I make this like slightly darker for the shadow. Yeah, I think that's a good shadow one. You see lines are pissing me off? Yeah. Bet. Bet. They will be fixed. Do not worry. Just try your best to ignore them. Okay, then there's that. Then if I get all that. Okay, there we go. And then we switch. Nope. The black for this. Change. Change. Uh-oh, I don't. Change. There we go, I think. Then we do this, and a little bit of that, a little bit of that. Okay, I can kind of see that now. And then do that. Oh, okay. I think I'm also gonna get like the shadow for the blue as well. Because if we make if we're making the blue Barty. Barty? Who's Barty? If you make the blue body, then it needs a shadow. There we go. That's a good shadow. Shadow, just Barty? Who's Barty? Who is Barty? Where did Barty come from? Who is it? The next Pokemon that comes up is another aquatic aspired creature. We'll have a theme for the day. Oh my god, you're so right. Oh no. Not another theme. Today's theme. Fish! Alright, this one. Let's do the body. No, let's do the blue first, actually. Blue. Because there's not much with the blue and everything. So there we go. Okay, now this one is the green. I think I should have waited. Oh, that's actually kind of cool, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, now the regular blue with this. Do that, that, and that. Now we got the main body, then we switch to the blue. And then if we do this for the shadow. And then we grab this. Hey, there we go. You know, it does look really cool. But I kind of want to see what they all look like with the different things that we have in mind. So like, there we go. Lines are pissing me off. Yeah. You know, I think that would definitely be like the one thing that is going to be just like slightly irritating with doing this version, because then like all the fins are going to be having like this little outline here, and that'll be just slightly annoying. What did we want to do? Oh yeah, actually let's do this one first, the red one, because I think we wanted to try making the red one the red stripe purple, like with the shiny Basket Legion. The purple, yeah, okay. What would be a good purple? What would be a good purple? Hold on, so this is the red. Then if I just keep the same like hue, but like switch this to be the purple. Maybe we should change the line. I know the green doesn't really convince me. For this one? Oh, what do you mean? Or just like the line for this one. Maybe black line instead of green. Yeah, we can do that. Green line doesn't hit. Ah, gotcha. Okay. Yeah, we can, after we change this one to purple, we can go back and put this one to black instead. Sound good? That way we can, because this would be like a quick fix. Just changing it to like the purple and everything, and then we go back to this one and change to black. Good idea? Yay, nay? Gotcha, gotcha? Wicked. Okay. Now for this one. Is this a good purple, or do we want to make this darker? Because like all I did with this was just get the red and like switch it with the color wheel here. So then it'd be this purple. The fish behind the slaughter. Like the vibe in purple? Okay, wicked. Yeah, we can do this then. We will do that. The sanity of your mother. Oh wait, hold on. Let me just... There we go. I know. This fish always comes back. Always comes back. Oh, by the way, how do we feel about Secret of the Mimic? I haven't seen any playthroughs yet. But from what I've seen, there's a lot of people that really like the new game. Makes sense as it turns into a ghost type. Oh my god, you're so right. I've been playing, already sunk 3 hours into the game. It's very good. Ooh, wicked. I can't wait to look at it. Because it does look really good. I'm just a little bit worried. But I am very curious though. The only thing I know about the thing is the Mimic song. Ah, okay. I actually don't know what the Mimic song either, I'm gonna be completely honest. It's giving mad Poppy Playtime vibes. Well, hopefully it'll be less, debuggy. Okay, I can already tell that it's gonna make me mad. So therefore, I'm gonna do this. And I am just gonna focus on getting like all the red Because, like, this won't change much, but react to the song on stream. Is it DMCA? That's the one thing that I worry about reacting to the song. Like, is it DMCA? If it is, I will not be reacting to it. On stream, at least. I would like to, but that's like the one thing that I'm worried about. Man behind the slaughter. Sanity of your mother. I don't think so? Okay. Oh wait, is it like in-game and everything? The Mimic song? Or is it something that someone made? I think you're good? Okay. Whoops! No, it isn't. Okay. So it's not in the game, but it's a song that— oh, it's a song that someone made. Okay. Okay, I understand now, I understand. I think it's called Jackie's Box. Okay. There we go. After masculine? Yeah, that's what I was kind of thinking. So in that way, we're not spending like an hour on this, when like a good majority of it was for just the reacting and everything. Alright, fine. Now, the one thing that I'm worried about is just me getting clapped via DMCA. But I think it would be just like an easy lookup, right? We need to see her. Just a live Vale reaction. Doesn't say anything under the video. Okay. Okay, so decent chance that I won't get clapped and everything. A bunch of streamers already reacted on stream, and I don't think any of them got copyrighted. Okay. So then it should be good? Should be, hopefully. Yeah, but if a bunch of streamers have already reacted to it, like, on their own streams and everything, then it should be fine. Start preparing mentally for it. Alright, I will try my best to prepare mentally. Right now, mentally, my brain is just fish! Because Basculin. But I will try my best to prepare mentally for it. Okay, there we go. Okay, that's actually really cute. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. Just like changing this is actually kind of cute. Like, it's a very subtle change, but it's better than the light green. I'm yelling again. Oh, okay, I'm good. I'm fine. I'm good. Because at least it's a full color shift and not just a slight hue shift. Okay, I'm good. I'm fine. I am good. You know, okay, green stripe. This one wanted to be changed to just the black and everything. Okay, do we want to change the eye as well, or no? Or did we just want to do, do we just want to do the stripe to be black? I think the eye is okay as green. Okay. Rayleigh stripe first? Yeah. Okay. Will do. So only trying this first. I mean, it's more of like a grayish. We could probably make it darker if we wanted to, maybe? Do we want to make this darker? Or do we keep this the same because of the fins and everything? Do we keep it the same shade or make it a little bit darker? Like that shade? Okay. Alright, we will keep with this one then. It is fine. Wicked. Alright. Then we keep the eye the same just to try. Just to see. And if we don't like it, we change the eye as well. Just like mentally making sure that I remind myself. Do you want us to grab the link of the song for you? If you want to. Don't do it in the stream chat though, because the bot is very picky when it comes to links being posted and everything. So I think posting it in the Discord would probably be best. Because I think there's actually a channel called Songs where you can post the like song links and everything for YouTube. Sentient songs, wicked. Alright, then after we figure out like which one we want to do and everything, I will definitely take a look. So that way you guys can have a live Vale reaction. Oh, you awake, kitty? Sorry, my cat has been asleep behind me for a while now. And I think she's waking up. I'm actually kind of surprised she didn't wake up earlier with me ranting. She's just giving me glares like, why are you talking, human? I wish for sleep. Yeah. Just little bells. She's in her little blanket nest. The song is so good. Just the first 2 seconds already making me laugh. Yo. I'm very curious on what the song is. But it would be after Basculin. How could you laugh at perfection? How could you? Okay, so then... Yep, so then that's good. And now I just have to get... this? Yes. Because that's green. Okay. Yep, so then just this. Ever listened to the song has 1 or 2 reactions, laughing or crying, no line in between. or cry because they're laughing so hard. Oh boy. I have no idea what this song is about, but I am intrigued, curious, and also just slightly worried. Oh, question. Are you guys okay with me talking about like hospital stuff? Because I won't go too in depth with like hospital stuff, but are you guys okay with me talking about stuff like that? Ooh, okay. So then this is just the changing the green stripe to a black stripe. Yeah, sure. Okay. Also, how do we feel about the black stripe instead of the green stripe? Yay, nay, or do we change the eye as well? Looks good. Yeah. Good to me. Okay. So then we keep the green eye. So that's all good. Alright, and now we do this one. You know, we're done with the blue and the red. So then we go down to the white stripe. Then we wanted to make this one more gold, I believe. What's a good gold color? Quick disclaimer, the song was made 6 months before the game released, and the person didn't know anything about the game. They just knew there was a clown named Jackie, a guy named Edwin, and a kid named David. That's it. Oh, okay. Ooh, gotcha. Oop. Oh, that is not gold. Bro, don't spoil it. What is there to spoil? This gold? Would that be a good gold? I actually don't know. Is this a good gold color? Oh wait, no, yeah, I know, you're so right. What is the gold from Reshiram? What's that one? Hold on. Just in case. Burp. Spin. Open. I am so glad that I hid. Okay, so wait, open recent. Oh, there we go. Okay. Reshiram, this one. Okay, so gold from Reshiram. And burp. Here we go. Can check out after Pistolage, we cannot afford a bad gold. I mean, you're not wrong. Okay, so then it would be this color, I believe. Or and then that's the shadow. So are we okay with this yellow then? Or this gold? You can also do this one, but I think it's more orange. There's also this one as well. That one is definitely more orange though. For sure, I'm so pretty when it's finally fixed. Yay! Look at it! I know I missed like this little section right here, but I got a fair majority of the lines and everything, and I'm very glad of how it turned out. Okay, so do we want to go with this? Yay or nay? Yes? Okay. Let me see. Up. And then copy. Just so that we can go over here. And go over here. And then do a paste. Okay. So then we for sure have it. Okay. We might as well just grab like the shadow as well. Okay, we keep it. Wicked, I didn't know that. Okay. Did I give you guys a dog jam? I don't think I ever gave you guys a dog jam because the one like the one thing that I think of whenever I hear this song specifically is just like the saxophone and the dog jam. I cannot believe you. Hold on, let me fix this fatal mistake. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. I fixed fatal mistake. BGTV. I just want the one dog jam, please, and thank you. Dog jam. Where is it? Aha! Channel. Okay, so you guys should have access to it now, I believe. Yay, okay. Then I don't know... Hold on, let me refresh chat actually now. Okay, then if I do... saxophone. Dog jam. I mean, I can see it. I can see it in, with me. I can see it on my end at least. But, it's not showing up with... Yeah, unfortunately it's not showing up with, stream chat. There we go. But yeah, whenever I hear this song, I just think of just like the saxophone and the dog. Man. But hey, now you have dog jam. You have so many other jams. And now you have a dog. Are you gonna play Deltarune or nah? I really want to play Deltarune. I really want to play it. I just don't have it. Fish! I would like to play it though. Bam. Okay. Do we just want to change the fins? Or do we want to do something else? Or do I want to do like something else with this? We'll raise funds for it, trust. I wonder how long that would take. It's okay, you guys don't have to though, don't worry. It'll be like sometime down the line. I have no idea when though. With carrying board like 2 days. Okay, I mean you're not wrong. That actually might, yeah. Random topic. There's a 1.21.5 mod that allows you to pat mobs. It plays the hand animation that you have on the corner of the screen and squishes the mobs a bit. Oh, that is awesome. I love that. I love that so much. Here we go. I would take a look at that. 'Cause that is adorable and I love that. Okay. And if we do another zoom out? Yeah, I would definitely take a look at that because that sounds adorable. Okay. And then Zeta. Then we do this. And then I get the shadow from here. Then I go back over here. There we go. And then bam, bam. Vale, yeah? What's up? How are you doing? What's up? Everything good? You have code flame options on? I did? I thought I deactivated it. Hold on. I could have sworn that I deactivated it. Hold on. Oh, wait, no, that was for viewer rewards, right? For channel points? Hold on, let me disable those. Yep, there it is. So disable and disable. Okay, so then that's good. Yeah, okay, so everything should be good now. And with the texture pack, you can switch between the hand, a bonk, metal pipe, piston, you get the idea. Nice. Just pet, pet, pet. I would definitely have to look at that. Here we go. Wicked. Fixed. Okay. Name of the mod is literally just Pat Pat. Oh, that's awesome. I love that. Okay. So which one do we like what we've done with all the different potential shinies? Do we want to keep it this way, or do we want one specific thing to be for all the all the basculins? Or do we want to combine some? I think we should let each of them be different. Like the blue one, way too much to get rid of it. All gold like Magikarp would be funny. You know, you're not wrong. That would be really funny, actually. That would actually kind of be really funny. That actually would be really funny, though. I'm not gonna lie. That'd be a little bit difficult for this one with how it is currently. Ow. Yeah, I think you have a shiny Magikarp. Surprise! It may be a shiny as well, but this one will eat you. Should we change like the green to the gold then? Just like green to the gold color? And Pisculi. Amazing. Amazing. Ah. I'm not gonna lie, I do kind of like just this. It's very simple, but I also really like it. Yeah, we can try to do the yellow or the gold. I also do like how this looks as well, just like the different inverse colors. It still needs to be fixed and everything, but I do like how it looks. Maybe we try doing this one gold, or like the green body gold for this. How's that sound, guys? Good or no? Just like doing like switching the green of this body to the gold. Or do we want to try with this one instead? Yeah? Okay. Yeah, let's do that then. Oh look, it's a shiny Magikarp. Wrong. Incorrect. Let's not mess with the perfect one. It's perfect already. Yeah, sounds good. Oh. It's a useful shiny Magikarp. Oops. There we go. Best Legion would be a shiny Gyarados. Yeah? It would, yeah. That'd be really funny. Just you think you have just a shiny Magikarp and a shiny Gyarados, but you are wrong. They still may be fish, but these are very violent fish. Hey, hi Yua. Hello. I hope you're doing good. It's okay, don't worry. You're good. Hello, hello. Hello. Alright, I know I'll definitely need to fix this off stream as well and everything. But how do we like... Oh, it's not updated again. What the heck? Spotify! There we go. There we go. It fixed. It fixed, let's go. Alright, anyway. How do we feel about the golden basculin? I think this three fish are pretty cool. Yeah. I like how different they all are too. Yeah, fancy. Like this one is very simple, but I do definitely like how it looks though. It's very simple but effective. Now song time. Something tells me that you guys just want me to get to the songs already. I just have a slight sneaky suspicion that you guys just want me to get to the songs already. No. Are you sure? Are you sure about that? Are you sure? Because I have a slight suspicion. Positive? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Alright, hold on. First, let me get rid of the best legion for that one. But now, since you guys want me to do the song, I will instead do this. There's that. Bum ba ba da da. Oh, I see what you posted, Clay. Vale really doesn't like shiny basculin. No, I don't. I really don't. Anyway, songs. Jackie's Box. FNAF Mimic song, Secret of the Mimic original song. Yeah, I forgot about those. Yeah. No, you're good. Alright, let me get everything set up here. Alright, let me just look. Let me just look at this. Okay, so it's by... So it's Jackie's Box, FNAF Mimic song by... Meowmaster? Oh no, Jackie Model. Okay. So it does contain strong language. So there's that. Extra tuna. It's your because the first one was too long. Oh wow, I didn't realize that I ranted for over 30 seconds. Whoops. Whoopsies. Around 2 minutes, I'd say. Oh, lovely. Amazing. Lovely. Okay, Okay, so let me do this. Whoa! Bruh. Alright, so I don't know if there are any... Okay, so there are captions. Okay. There are captions. Then there's that. And let me do that. Hold on. Studio mode. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I think I got that to work, so that one's good. All this hype for the Mythic song of all things. I'm a little bit surprised. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so let me pause that. Okay, so you guys cannot hear that. Let me try doing this, doing that. And can you guys hear? No? Hey, what? Bruh. Oh, I didn't even add it. Hold on. Can you guys hear now? Oh! Okay, yes you can. Okay. Cool. that was a little bit too loud. Whoops. All right. Very clearly cool. Okay. So there we go. Where am I? Where am I? There we go. I'm here. Hi, hello. Ears blessed 4K audio. Alright, the mimic consumed Vale, apparently. Yeah. I return. Alright, so this is apparently an original Mimic song inspired by the newest Secret of the Mimic game that FNAF released. I haven't heard this like at all, so I'm a little bit worried, but we'll see how this goes. When does the Mimic look like Circus Baby? I have no idea. I know it's like something with the lore and everything, but I have no idea. I'm a little bit concerned. All right, let's play it. See how it goes. They're getting closer.
Time to play! No? Well, time to die! Cause I'm not nice. No, I'm not nice. I'll shoot you in the face till I make you die. Watch me shoot my secret cannon. Put bombs in your belongings. They call me the bomb thief. The way I disperse grief. And I don't like to play by the rules. So in my factory you will be doomed.
Huh? They're getting closer and I don't like it. What in the world? What? What the heck? I just came back?
My name is Edwin. I made the mimic. It was difficult to put the pieces together. But unfortunately, something went so wrong. And now I can't do anything but sing this stupid song. My name is Edwin.
Yeah, chat wanted me to react to this. I'm so confused.
My name is David. I want some ice cream. David, that is I'm running out on the road. There is a car, and it is going to hit me.
What?
My name is a fucking mimic. Oh yeah, my name is a fucking mimic. Oh yeah. My name is a fucking mimic. Oh yeah, my name is a fucking mimic. Oh My name is Jackie, and I'm fucking Becky. Yeah, 'cause with my clown power, I am gonna make you scream louder. It's a clown attack, bitch. Circus is coming to town. So sit your ass down and get ready for a clown attack.
No, not the clown. What have I done? I'm sorry.
You don't have to censor yourself, Vale. You can curse. What? Huh? I. Uh, I. You loved it, didn't? I don't know how I feel about it. I'll be honest. After, yeah, it was something. I hope you have fun getting absolutely trolled by chat. I mean, that was something. I'm also never taking any recommendations from you guys ever again. I will say that. I'm never accepting any more recommendations. Cause what? Huh? Okay. I know so many good songs. No, I don't know about that. Ooh, hiccups. I am just lost. Okay, hold on. Let me go back to this one. I forgot what I was doing. Oh yeah, it was supposed to be the shiny Pokemon recolor. The song would go well with that clown the clown veil edit. I don't you know that one I don't know about that. I'll be real. I regret clicking on that link. Just a little bit. Your color, you know, I was just doing some chill shiny Pokemon recolor, and then that happened. I'm never taking song requests from you guys ever again. Can't believe Carrie missed this. I mean, there's always the VODs and everything. So if Carrie watches the VOD, able to see it that way at least. But yeah, Value, I am so sorry that you had to witness that. I think the last few of my brain cells are rioting, and it's just I want a refund. Yeah, I didn't pay for anything, but I want a refund as well. Oh. I don't know if this makes me more excited or less excited to watch gameplay of Secret of the Mimic now. You will add this to the Spotify list? No. No, never. Move memory, I'm out of storage. Yeah, no, storage is full. I need to delete that memory forever. Please and thank you. Would gladly like to never remember that again. Anyway. Oh, that is tiny. Game isn't anything like the song. Wicked. Oh, there we go. Okay. Back to the middle for you. And there we go. Alright. Can't give you song recommendations actually because the ones I like are all DMCA. That's very fair. It's very fair, don't worry. Ah. This scared my ramen. Oh no, not the ramen. Am I matching stuff? Didn't we already do Glaceon? No, we did Leafeon, Espeon, and Jolteon. We did not do Glaceon yet. I don't think we did. Yeah, no, we didn't yet. Yeah, we're good. But yeah, let's do another spin. Let's see what we get. Ooh, Arcanine. Or Malurk. Yeah, you're good, Value, no worries. Have fun lurking. Okay, so Arcanine. Okay. Arcanine. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I actually really like the shiny Arcanine, but I can get why people don't like it. I get why people don't like Arcanine shiny. I understand. But there we go. Because the shiny for Arcanine is literally just yellow. So I can get why people don't like it. Oh yeah, another gold. I know, it's such a really cool Pokemon too. I get why people don't like shiny Arcanine. Me personally, I kind of like how it looks. The blue with dark blue stripes. Ooh. Maybe. Red Arcanine would also be kind of cool. But blue with the dark, or like just maybe like the blue with just like still the black stripes, I think would maybe work. A baby blue for the fur, you know. Yeah. So kind of like just like regular blue, maybe like this. But then like for the fur, it would be like slightly softer. Like maybe like this background and everything. Yeah, we can definitely do that. Tell me you know, tell me. Had to be a little bit more blue than the background, yeah. But I mean, like kind of like this soft sort of color, and not like dark and everything. But no, not this background exactly. Which one is that? Hold on. 89 CFF0. Oops. Okay, so that for the fur. Yeah, I can definitely see that. The reason I know these songs is because I listen to your streams. No, Spotify! There we go. Yeah, when Spotify works. There are quite a few bands that I do like, but I think they're DMCA. So I can't really like put them like in the stream playlist at all. Like for sure the ones that I think I know I can put in like a stream music playlist is like remixes of video game soundtracks and video game soundtracks in and of itself. Ah. Okay, so if it's like this one for the fur, be like a little bit darker, like maybe this. Oh, maybe. Hold on. Actually, wait. Tell me you know. Tell me it's okay. What was the code again? 89CFF0. Okay, so then it would be this. Then darker. No, that's too dark. Do you mean the frame mean the skin? Oh, so like this part? So this part would be like the light blue then, right? Is that what you mean? Yes? Okay. Yeah, we can try that. Yeah, you're good. I'm just trying to figure out like what would be like a good shadow. Like this blue, because there is like the shadow stuff and everything. Oh, maybe that? I think that would be like a good shadow color. Well, at the very least we can try it too. Yeah. Pop. Okay, so then the regular orange, which would be this. Oh no. I'm gonna warn you guys in advance. I think we're gonna get the orange outlines. I just have a slightly sneaky suspicion. So I'm just warning you guys now. Okay, hello. Hello, new chatter. I do not know how to pronounce your name, but I hope you're doing good. Get all the orange over here. We are in the hands of God, I'm afraid. Yeah, just be afraid, be very afraid, because we will... Oh no, there are gonna be so many lines. A fitting name for the moment, yeah. I never realized that the name for that emote was Blood Trail. That's definitely gonna be very fitting, cause oh yeah, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh boy. So we're gonna have to do like what we did before and just think of the potential. Their nickname means have faith. Oh, gotcha. Is I definitely want to have faith with this definitely. Oh hey, thank you for the follow. I have anonymous followers on, so that there's like no pressure or anything to be perceived. If that makes any sense, I hope it does. I apologize if it doesn't. I'm not the best at explaining things. Yeah, feel free to lurk and just chill and everything. There will be chaos occasionally, and I apologize for that. Yeah, welcome to the chaos. And I'll just think about how it's going to look and not how it'll look in a moment here. Think of the potential. Think of the potential. The potential. The potential will save us. Okay. Oh no. You should do a stream where chat tells you a bunch of songs to listen to. I don't know about that one, especially after having to listen to the Jackie's Box one. Yeah, I don't know if I trust you guys anymore with that. I don't know. That is, I don't know about that. Do you have your favorite chatters? But you guys bully me. Why would I do that? Why would I give you guys the power to do that? The potential is there. Create engagement. I mean, you're not wrong. But also, I have less faith in you guys because of the Jackie's Box thing. BRB? Okay, sounds good. Yeah, the potential is there. Potential is there. We just have to... You just have to ignore the lines, because I already see a few lines. You just have to ignore them. Please. I'll think about it. Probably not with songs, but I have been thinking about doing, not with songs. Don't celebrate yet. I have been thinking about potentially doing a stream where I play game demos that you guys have suggested to me. Because I kind of want to do something like that because it does seem like it would be really fun. Like really fun to do and everything. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit out of the loop when it comes to like game demos and everything. So I think if I would have to rely on you guys for like finding game demos that you think would be good for streaming and everything. I've suggested a full game, so I gain nothing from that. I mean, technically you could. You could just look at like the just like look around. Did I not grab it? Wait, what? No, I didn't. Hold on. Did I just not grab the color like at all? I thought I did. What the heck? What? Huh? Excusez-moi? Okay, there we go. That's better. That was so weird. Okay. That was very weird. Okay. So I do definitely see the potential with this. We definitely have to change the like the fur and everything. You know, I'm not gonna question it either. Hmm. Odd, but okay. So I do definitely see the potential. We definitely have to change like this fur and everything to like maybe leaning a bit more towards like a like a really light blue, like maybe almost whitish. Ow. I think that would be best. Like if we change it to be like maybe this color. It's also just like still like a little bit darker than like the background, if you guys can see. Yeah, it's still lighter than the background, but it's still darker than the background, but it's still lighter than like this, because that's like the change there between like the skin part and the fur part. Or do we want to go with like a almost like a pure white thing? Do we want to do that instead? Now let me grab all this. Grabbing all that. Try both? Okay. Okay, so for the first one, or for this one, we will do the just like the light blue that I have right here. And then next we will try the off-white then. Burp. Here we go. Okay, so we can definitely do that. So then we do this. Okay. So that's what this would look like. So that's like with like this light blue. Then if we go for more white, it would be like this instead. Then I think the shadowy part would have like more of a blue with it. What do we like more? Okay, because I'll do like some blue and some white there. That way we can kind of like see the difference a little bit better. Ish. Or we could also do we do like the blue, and then we do a darker with this. Because of the background, the white looks better. Okay, let's try that. Whoops! There we go. Okay, so we can do the white. Wait, hold on. There we go. Looks like it's just transparent. Yeah. Yeah, that's the issue with having like the blue background and everything. But I just do that so it's better on my eyes. Whoops! There we go. So yeah, then let's do this. Because then this would be the darker one. So it'd have a more to it. There we go. And there's that. And then do this. Okay. So there's that. And then if we do Like maybe this dark? Let's try that. Okay. The lighting on the fur is so cool. Yeah, no, it's really cool. Okay, but I think I'm also seeing an issue. Because I do like the shadow that we have. I do like the shadow's color and everything. The thing is, it doesn't quite match with the white. So maybe if we do... Like maybe this? For like the white here. I think it could work. Because that way it's not like pure white, but it also doesn't blend in with the background. I'm back. Welcome back. Hello. We're testing things out. I think we almost have this for Arcanine. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Actually, wait, hold on. Okay, yeah, no, let's just do that. And then... Okay, yeah, there we go. So yeah, that way it's not like a pure white. And it still has some blue with it and everything. So it does blend in a bit better. And then if we ignore the orange lines, I can definitely see the potential for this one, and I do kind of like it. I can see the potential with this, and I do like it. It's a lot better than the blue that we have like here. Like it still like has some blue to it, but it doesn't blend into the background at all. Do we feel good with this one? Because I will definitely like fix all of this right here. How do we feel? Hell yeah? Okay. Think it's good? Wicked. Okay. And then I'll definitely like fix all this off stream and everything after I fix the Annihilate and Cerulid still. Because those two are causing me issues. Okay. Then delete that. Alright, and then we zoom out. There we go. Alright. Yeah, should we do... Because technically we've done more for this round than we have any others, but that's because of these three right here. Technically they all count as one, but still. Yeah, let's do at least one more spin, and then we will see how we feel after that. If we want to do like another one, or if you just want... Oh wait, no. Oh no, it makes sense to just do 4 because of how I have things arranged. Okay. Never mind. We do one more spin. One last spin. One last spin. Let's see what it is. Ooh, Scrafty. Okay, what is Scrafty's? Hold on. Where is Scrafty? Where are you? You guys want to know something funny? Apparently I never got something for Scrafty. Give me like 1 second. Give me like 1 second. Bulbapedia. Scrafty. Don't fail me. I know what I'm doing. Yep. You know, here's that. Okay. Where? Okay, here we go. Then there's that one. And then there's Scrafty. Okay, so it looks like the clothes that Scrafty has is like, it turns into a green, which I'm not surprised. I hate it. Okay, hold on. It's always green. Scrafty. Cerebi, so I can get the shiny. I know, it's always green. Well, I guess the skin does change, and also like the little mohawk thing as well. So I guess they did more than that. I guess. Okay. I know, it's always like the radioactive neon green. I love how always ready and prepared my streamer is. Our streamer always remembers stuff. In my defense, I thought for sure that I grabbed it. I thought for sure that I grabbed it. Apparently not. Alright. Scrafty. New layer. Okay. I know that ground types aren't my favorite, but I do like how Scrafty looks. It is a really cool design. Where are you? There you are. Like, before you thought for sure you changed the Clever for killing the Arcanine. I thought I did, though. Like, you saw me grab the dark and... Oh, is the dark fighting? Oh, is it? I thought for sure it was ground. Am I thinking I'm Scraggy? Make it red and emo, or it's orange on mine. Yeah, you're good, you're good. Okay, oh, and the shiny for this, lest we forget. It's green. It's green. Ah. Yay, it looks... it does look like... it does look like it has dinosaur pajamas, and I love it. That is so cute, actually. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I actually kind of like that now. That's actually really cute. Is it a ground type either? Oh, okay, so I just completely misremembered then. Gotcha. Well, that's okay. We all know how my memory is the best, the greatest that there has ever been. Yep. Anyway, no, you do not want me for the saint patron of memory. My memory is horrible. Anyway, what do we do with this one? Because I actually don't know. And I noticed that, so the skin got a bit lighter, and same with like this little mohawk thing like right here. And then like the pants and like the little hood right here were also changed into a green. I don't know what we do. Because they do, apparently it's a dark fighting type. How do we fix this one? You could say you want to be the best like no one ever was. I want to be the very best like no one ever was. Bow, bow, bow. Catch them is my real test. To train them is my cause. I will travel across the land, searching far and wide. I kind of want to try it with purple. Just like having this be purple, because there's not many purple shinies, and there need to be more. Sorry, that was like... that was just like a complete 180 of like what I was doing. Never mind. I mean, we could definitely try purple, I think. I think purple would probably be a good place to start. Like maybe with this purple? If not a bit lighter or maybe a bit darker. Oops. I just like this purple. Think it would look nice? Yeah. Darker? Okay, let's try a darker purple. Darker, darker, yet darker. So then would this be good for the darker then? Yeah, okay. So then this would be like the standard, and then we can just make it darker for like the shadows and everything then. Yeah. Okay. Let's do, cause I want to try doing like the pants. The pants, the purple. And then we can go from there if we don't like it. But it's a start. Because I'm not gonna lie. Even though it's green, I do like how the shiny looks. Even though it's green. I guess. Anyway, let's do that. Then get the purple. Okay, I actually kind of like how this purple looks. It's a very nice purple. I think the gray is what's tripping me up with the shiny. Yeah, a little bit. But I get it. Like, they want to be sure that you know that it's also, like, dark type as well. Scrafty is such a stupid looking Pokemon. I think he looks silly. I think he's silly. He's just a silly little guy. he's just a silly little lad. Okay, then still a bit darker for that. You know, he's just tired, which honestly I feel for him. He's just tired. He's tired, and I empathize. Oh. Okay, I think that's good. Oh, there we go. Okay, so ignoring the lines. Ignore the lines. Think of the potential. Think of the potential. Yellow, green, and orange just looks off. Yeah, a little bit. So how do we feel about this? Like the purple pants? Yeah, purple pants. Yeah, I don't know how to change anything else though. Yeah, I do like the purple. Ignoring the lines. I see the potential in it and I do like it. What else do you want to do with this? It's very Halloween coded. Oh my god, you're so right, it is. I mean, it is a dark type, so that does make sense. Those tend to lean more towards like Halloween time vibes. I think we would probably have to change. For skin, you want to go with the original shiny? Oh, we could definitely try that, yeah. Let's try that. Because I actually don't know what else to do. But yeah, we can definitely try that. Because I think like my only qualms with this is just green. It's worth trying at least. Because just green. The green shinies. There can be good green shinies, but it's also just like, oh, green, green, bruh, green. Oops, there we go. Then that, and then if we get the shadow from here. Maybe we want to make it like a little bit lighter actually. We just like get this and then make it like a tiny bit darker. There we go. How do we feel? You can also probably change the this into something as well. I know this one's kind of difficult, I'm not gonna lie. You know, this one is kind of difficult. The gray is back to bothering me. Yeah. It looks like a chicken. I mean, you're not wrong. Okay, wait, hold on. So let's do... The canon and shiny version reminds you of Chicken Little. Yeah, a little bit, yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't quite like the yellow for this. Kind of like how like the skin looks for this. But I think at the very least we could probably try and change like the little hair and slight tail part, I think. Yeah, I like the yellow with the gray, but it's just eh. We could also change the purple to something else too. If we can't, if we don't like the purple. Because I just did the purple just to like start. If I had a white scarf, I'd 100% be a chicken. Oh my god, you're so right. You're so right, it would definitely just be a chicken. Amazing. A chicken dime. Chicken shiny? Chicken shiny. I'm gonna shut up now. Yep. Oh, or something that I think would maybe look good is like maybe change it to a blue. Like either change this, whoops, to a blue. Oops. You know, it's very difficult, yeah. And so what if I do that, but then just go like this for the blue? Because that way it kind of like complements the skin tone and everything. And then just make it like slightly darker. You know, this one is difficult. To put it together like when Edwin made with the mimic. How dare you bring up the mimic? No, you're good, you're good. How could you? Should have made a mimic colored? No, I draw the line. Okay, I kind of like it with the blue, I'm not gonna lie. I kind of do like this with the blue. Kind of like with the blue. I think you're just very biased about Blue Veil. No! What do you mean? No! No! Me? Biased? Specifically for the color blue? What do you mean? I don't know what you're talking about. Anyway. Okay, that does look better. I say check how many Pokemon you recolored as blue. I refuse to be called out. I refuse to look. No. I will simply refuse to I refuse. No. Nope. Because I know the second I look, I don't have a single leg to stand on. So, nope, not doing it. Nope, anyway. I think we can probably keep the orange the way it is, but we definitely, I think we definitely need to change, like, the red and everything, at the very least. Make it fully shock pink. I mean, we could definitely do that, yeah. Do we want to try it? We can actually go with, like, this, the Polyrath pink as well. Because I think I just don't like gray. I mean that's very fair as well. Pat pat pat. Yeah, let's try the pink. Let's try pink. I have a quick question. What would you like to change the gray to? Would you like to change it to a lighter gray? Yeah, it will fit. I think we specifically need to change the gray. Yeah, we definitely specifically need to change the gray. This will work, but we need to change the gray with something. Whoops. There we go. What do we change the gray with? Try lighter? Purple? I don't know about purple, but we can try just having this be like lighter. Whoops. Let's try that again. Like the skin from before. I think with the purple that we did, it just didn't look good, which is why I got rid of it. Maybe we can try it. We can try adding it back in now that we changed the purple to a blue. Let's try it? Okay. I think before we do, what if we try changing the blue instead to like another pink? Because I can already see, like, if we do like the yellow and then put it with the if we do like the yellow and put it with like the skin and everything, then the blue is gonna feel out of place. So I think before we do the skin, I think we should probably change the blue to something else. Low's down for pink. Maybe we could definitely try the pink again. There's like maybe something else? Like not quite pink. What if we do like maybe like a lavender? Because I think that would still work, and if we do yellow for this, then that would work. Yeah, because it's still technically pink, but just like a shade to purple. A shade purple. And I do definitely like this. So yeah, let's try this. Okay, then if we go like slightly darker. Oh, whoops. Yeah, just ignore the bits. Look at the potential. Ignore the lines. Look at the potential. Think of the potential. There we go. Think of the potential. Okay, then if we do yellow, or like this yellow right here. And then do this, then do that, this, that, no, that, no, that, there we go. Then there's that. Then if we do like slightly darker for that. I feel like this is a reverse ditto. I mean, you're not wrong. You're definitely not wrong. Yeah. Okay, so then there's that. Just, you know, ignore the lines. Ignore the lines, see the potential. Okay, so how do we feel about it? I really like it. It's better than I expected. Yeah. I'm actually kind of surprised that it managed to work. Now. Also, I just realized something. If you ignore the pink, and you just look at the colors that we used, for like the clothes and the skin and the gray and everything, it kind of reminds me of the non-binary flag. Let's go. Scrafty came out of the closet. Congrats. Congrats, non-binary monarch. Let's go. In a Pride Month Pokemon Recolor. Let's go. I know, I think this is actually the first time that we didn't have a theme. Gonna make the zipper purple. I don't think it's not a zipper, it's just like the belly. Like the belly and the eyelids and everything. You could try making it purple. Like a darker purple. Maybe. The theme is treason against the streamer. No, on the tail. Oh, right here? Right here? Whoa. Yeah, we could try that. Yeah. Let's do this one, but then just make it like slightly softer. There we go. Yeah, let's try that. Where? Purple. Purple. There we go. I like that. Just, you know, ignore the lines. I'll fix it. I'll fix it off stream. Because otherwise we're gonna be here for like 10 hours. Yay, non-binary flags crafty, let's go. Non-binary monarch. Yay. Okay. So then So then if I get rid of this real quick. And then also get rid of the reference. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, no, surprisingly, there was really no theme. But yeah. I kind of like how they all turned out though. Just, you know, I have to do the fixing and everything, which hopefully shouldn't take long, but I have the Cerulean that I still need to fix. And the Annihilate, and that's taking a little bit. Yeah, I definitely like how this turned out. It definitely went faster than I thought it would too, I'm not gonna lie. And you guys also got to hear me rant about masculine as well. Yay! For once, I am not calm, quiet Vale. I turned into ranting Vale. Like the other fish, the only thing that doesn't fit is the green. Yeah, a little bit. I mean, technically, like, this is, like, the eye is green right here. So, I mean, that makes sense. No hiccups. So, it kind of fits with that-ish. Yeah, but even so, like, the green doesn't fit. I still like how it looks with, like, the purple and everything. Sure, why not? Yeah, technically. Technically. But yeah, I like how these all turned out and everything. Scrafty definitely gave us a difficult time. Like, absolutely gave us a difficult time. Yeah. It came out wonderfully. And I just finally came out of the closet. Pun intended, wicked. Amazing. Oh boy. Okay, hold on, let me save this. Let me save this rope. Nope. Oh, that is the wheel. There we go. Let me just save this real quick. Save as. And then this is recolor number 6. Killers 6. Okay. Alright. So it has been 2 hours. Okay. I'm gonna be real. Which is a little bit difficult because I am talking to you guys through a PNG tuber. But I'm gonna be real. I have something that I want to keep secret, but I also really want to show you guys as well. Specifically with like the VTuber stuff. Would you like me to show you guys? This would be the only time that I will show it. If you want me to show it. Yes? Alright. Alright. And also, it is the reason why I asked you to- I asked about- can I clip it? Yes. You can. What a dumb question, of course you want to see it. I mean fair. I guess. Alright. So yeah, that's saved. Alright. Now I will show you guys the idea that I have from my little VTuber. The clothes are irritating me. But yeah. This is... yeah, music fits. Yeah. I also did this just because, like, I have no idea what else to do for this. Yeah, this is kinda what I have in mind for my little VTuber, eventually. It's very, very flat. Mostly because I am mostly just trying to figure out what to do with clothes. big pants would be a good idea. I mean, to be fair, you wouldn't really see it either. Like, I did, like, this little line here. Like, this little line here. Because what you guys are gonna see most of is, like, the top half right here. Like, you guys really won't see, like, the bottom portion. So yeah, but this is what I have in mind and everything. Potentially. Could I theoretically make a quick doodle of an outfit? If you want to. I know that I was actually just thinking about, are those voidlings? There's something. I will still keep my secrets. But, there's something. I know, like, for an outfit, I was thinking of, like, a jacket sort of thing, like this right here. But, like, there would be one sleeve where it would be, like, this side, where it is completely, sleeveless. But then this arm has a sleeve, so it'd be this arm that has a sleeve and everything. I like the idea of vines wrapping around the arm and back. Yeah. No, I think like that is like the first thing that I did was just like figure out like where the vines would go. Jacket could be transparent. Yeah. That's kind of like what I did with, which one is it? This layer right here, where it's like kind of see-through. Where it's like kind of see-through and everything. Yeah, no, that's what I did. Yeah. Yeah, this is what I have in mind. Potentially. But again, the outfits are causing me so many issues. Mostly because of what I want to try and do is like keep attention away, like try to make the tension go away from said vines. So that and like the flow of it is like the flow of it and everything goes like this way, or like it starts from here, goes here, goes here, if that makes any sense. Very flowy sort of thing. But the design I want to try and do that I'm having difficulties with is trying to keep the attention away from the vines, because with me, like really liking Eldritch stuff and everything, the vines are kind of like cosmic horror sort of thing. Like very cosmic, very Eldritch. Like you probably shouldn't look at it directly. Which is why I wanted to kind of go like this and everything. So that way, like, even though it starts like right here with the rose and everything, you still your attention still like doesn't focus on the vines, even though that is also still like a really big part of it and everything. And I want to kind of keep things symmetrical but also asymmetrical at the same time. Yeah. There have been thoughts. Like the idea of very complicated. Yeah. I want to say more with everything, but there are some things that I want to keep secret. You should give it a Gengar face. That'd be really funny. That'd be very funny. Actually, hold on. Let me do that real quick. Boop. Wow, I look angry. Wow, I just look so angry. Wait, hold on. Burp, burp. There we go. I didn't want to do like the full smile, but I'll do that at least. Perfect. But yeah, that's what I have to show and what I've been working on and everything. And also a good reason why I haven't really worked on the shiny Recolors off stream. Because of this. Yay. I hope you guys enjoyed me showing what I've been working on and everything. Yeah, I think this will be a good spot for me to end stream. Oh, there we go. Yeah, bit of a shorter stream. But we are getting used to just like, powering through the shiny Pokemon Recolors and everything. Very short. It would have been shorter had I not shown the VTuber. So, ha. If you want me to, I can draw a quick idea, asymmetric, close, exaggerate a tiny bit. Only if you want to. Because I've, like, slowly been figuring out, like, what I want to do and everything. But if you want to, I won't stop you. Yeah. Only if you want to. Okay, this is actually a really good song to end on. Until next time. Until next stream, chat. I'll see you next stream. When is next stream you may ask? That will be either on Tuesday or Thursday. It'll either be on Tuesday or Thursday. I don't know what I will stream yet. Oh yeah, no, the playlist is an absolutely paid actor. Like, hands down. But nope. We're staying on this one. I will keep on repeating this one until we leave, because that is amazing to just end on. But yeah, thank you guys so much for sticking around. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, evening, night, whichever time zone you're in. Be sure to get something to eat. Be sure to get something to drink. And I will see you guys on, again, either Tuesday or Thursday. I'm not sure what I will stream. It might be Cult of the Lamb, it might be something else. I haven't decided yet. Let's see. Now, where should I send you guys? Where should I send you? Might be busy with exams, I won't be there. Yeah, you're good, no worries. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna send you guys... Kitties? I don't think they're live. They haven't been live for a bit now. Yeah, I don't see them live. But I think instead I will send you guys to Alevis. Because it looks like they do have crows, a pasture, and wolf hybrids all active and everything. And I think also a red fox too. I can just see a little bit of a tail. So I will raid Alevis. No ducks. The ducks are, I looked at them, they're active, but there's not a lot by the feeder. So yeah, I'll just send you guys to Alevis instead. Yeah, again, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, night, evening, whatever time zone you're in, and I will see you guys on either Tuesday or Thursday, most likely Tuesday. But yeah, thank you guys for joining. It's been fun. I'll see you then. Goodbye. Bye bye.